Oh, Laura, they have it. They got it.
Alright, got it.
Okay.
That's all.
So what numbers do you have?
Okay.
So, start at 2.
Okay, so can we look at
Cell membrane and cytoplasm. Check
the writer's getting there able to accept. Did you have that? Alright, Justin, go. We only have like 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta pay attention to which question number they were, okay?
Okay. So you had to reach out to it.
So, we should work together, right? When we share our thoughts.
One of the things leading up was there's something that you all did as group members. You had to grade each other, right?
So how did you guys critically think?
Sing the song.
Ooh, shared your thoughts and ooh, alright, I like how Samantha talked about adding the song too, using the song that we learned about Cell City. Very nice.
Ready before the time runs out.
Up, down, right. Yes. Open your box. Alright, early finishing up 30 seconds. You can talk about how you guys communicated and collaborated. So how did you guys communicate with things?
Get the code.
How did you guys communicate?
Yes. How did you show critical thinking?
You worked together. Did you guys make a mistake?
Yeah.
Did you work together to figure out what your mistake was? Did you communicate in that sense? Okay, there you go. Fill it out. Good job, guys.
No, we only have 8 seconds.
So how did you guys show critical thinking?
Good. Rotate!
So you use your resources to help you.
Alright, start the timer.
Hold on. You need to read the directions. Answer children chosen by station. This the nucleus, and then that goes to mitochondria. And then that's mitochondria.
It is.
Okay, so now we gotta figure out the order. Okay, so now use the decoder to help you find the code.
So first, T is vacuum. Wait, question 1 is no question 1. Right? Alright, you ready? Which one is question 1? Is there like T or C?
Okay, what is it? What's the number?
C is 5.
C. Okay. What's the next one?
H.
H. What is it? What is
K. Oh, A. Yeah. This is a large sack that T.
So it seems like you knew the definitions first. That's helpful.
So what is it all going to do?
So,
Yes, we use our resources.
Alright, how did we know?
Think about it. Words.
no.
Yeah.
Good. Open your box.
Yep.
All right.
How do you think critical?
How did you guys persevere?
How do we critical?
How did you show perseverance at these things?
I don't know.
So what's the definition for perseverance? What does it say?
show the stick to languages when complete the task. Even when we experience something or challenges.
So that is
How did you show perseverance?
patience work. Okay, what is the code?
By using the resources around the room, but you didn't really know which one was which, right? You went and looked at the pictures? Good.
So our 5th grade students completed an escape room where they rotated to various stations around the room. The escape room focused on plant cells. So each station had a different task that focused on labeling parts of the cell, unscrambling words that matched different vocabulary, different types of questions that they could think about as a group, and then at the conclusion of each station they had to complete a reflection sheet that assessed each of the key attributes of the strategic coherence plan, where they discussed as a group how they used each of the different skills. So each station had a different skill, and the students were able to collaborate with one another to reflect on their usage of the skills.
The students worked together at each station to escape the room. So they had to solve the problem at hand and then solve a decoder to help them get out of that station. That station led to a final code which allowed them as a whole to escape the classroom. Each station, as Ms. Gilmartin just said, had a self-reflection for the group at one of the attributes of the strategic coherence plan. So the group was asked how they showed critical thinking at the station. So what did they do together to critically think to escape that station?
Critical thinking was shown as they completed not only the task, but then the decoder. The decoder was different challenging activities that they had to do in order to get the code to escape the room. And there was much collaboration and communications with the groups. We had encouraged them to come to an agreement as a group before they communicated that information to us in order to get the code. They agreed, they disagreed, they had to be adaptable. Some of the decoders were really tricky where they had to do different letter number combinations, so they really had to be open-minded in order to accept that maybe their first attempt wasn't correct and they had to try again and persevere in order to get the code for that station.